Welcome to Daily Tax Savings. This is Tony Novak here with a few points to save taxes and stay out of tax trouble. Today's topic is uh, the correct answer versus a sustainable position. And the point is that in tax practice, the right answer is not necessarily the goal, nor is it what we taxpayers and accountants tend to believe. Let's dive into that. We know that based on numbers of studies and uh, results and by IRS and third parties, that given a certain set of facts, taxpayer data, that accountants, CPAs, other tax professionals can produce different tax return results, and that in most cases, all of them will be accepted by the IRS as valid, complete, legal tax returns. Yet they're paying different amounts of tax. How can that be? Is the goal here to look for the one that has the most academically documented and substantiated levels of authority to back every position? Or is it maybe the one that produces the lowest tax? Or is it something else? And I'm going to argue in a second that it's something else. But the point is, we know in tax practice, we are typically not looking to battle it out for the most correct answer, however we define that. What we are looking for is a sustainable position, a tax return that will be accepted, that will be validated, and that meets the requirements. And there are three standards of sustainability. We're not going to get into that in this very short broadcast. But the point is that the technically correct answer, as however you define it, we're not defining it here, but however you define it, or however some tax practitioner or law professor or whatever else there is and it's mission that we're even going to strive to attain. So in this case, sustainable position for all practical purposes, for everyone watching this type of show, sustainable position should start with you, your goals as a business owner, as a taxpayer. What did you intend when you did this, when you earned a salary? You intended to pay taxes on it. You didn't intend for it to be tax-free. Nowadays, with overtime and whatnot, there might be some room for discussion there. But the point is, we intend something to be taxable. Your wages should be the correct position, and the sustainable position is that wages are taxable. If you were to take a different position, it would not be sustainable. On the other hand, let's suppose that we're discussing I don't know, an addition to your building, and one tax expert says those are all deductible, maintenance expenses immediately deductible. And another equally qualified and professional tax preparer says, no, those are capital improvements and they have to be treated differently on your tax return. Who's right? And does it matter? I'm saying what matters is your plan, your business strategy, your logic, your documentation, your conversations with your tax professional and business planner and strategist, and we build from there. Those are the types of things that go into building a sustainable tax position. Let me wrap up. And what prompts this is I see too many programs, too many, particularly, we see a lot of social media. I see too much in social media saying, learn the correct way to do this. And I'm saying that's nothing wrong with that. Pursuit of academic knowledge is a wonderful thing. I'm just saying in tax practice, it's not the goal. Would love to hear your thoughts, feedback, comment, on social media, or if you want to talk with me one-on-one about your situation, that's easy to do. Find me at taxproblems.cpa, has the contact information, or you can schedule a call at your convenience.